Every 37 seconds, someone in the United States dies from cardiovascular disease. A chilling statistic, isn't it? But it's an unseen epidemic that's sweeping not just the States, but the entire globe. Heart diseases, once associated only with the elderly, now don't discriminate, striking the young and old, the fit and not so fit alike. This silent stalker, often undetected until it's too late, is the leading cause of death worldwide. It's a ruthless killer that manifests in various forms, from heart attacks to strokes, from high blood pressure to heart failure. The severity of these conditions is immense, causing not only physical distress, but emotional turmoil for the sufferers and their loved ones. Yet, amidst this grim reality, there's a beacon of hope. The human heart, resilient and robust, can be safeguarded. Your heart, the life-sustaining organ, deserves nothing but the best care. Because after all, a healthy heart is a happy heart. But the good news is there are ways to prevent this silent killer. The first step to a healthy heart is through your stomach. Picture this: your plate is a vibrant mosaic of colors, brimming with fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. This isn't just pleasing to the eye, it's a feast for your heart as well. These foods are rich in essential nutrients and fiber that your heart craves to function at its best. But it's not just about adding the good stuff, it's also about limiting the not so good. Saturated fats, for example, found in foods like butter and red meat, can raise your cholesterol levels, increasing the risk of heart disease. So try swapping these out for healthier alternatives whenever possible. And let's not forget about salt. While a pinch here and there enhances flavor, too much can lead to high blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease. So keep an eye on those labels and choose low-sodium options when you can. Remember, what you eat directly affects your heart's health. Get moving to keep your heart pumping. This mantra is a simple yet powerful reminder of the importance of regular exercise in maintaining heart health. Now you might be thinking, how much exercise is enough? Well, the answer is it varies from person to person. However, experts generally recommend about 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous activity per week. But what does this look like in practice? It could be as simple as a brisk 30-minute walk 5 days a week or a high-intensity spin class 3 times a week. The key here is to find an activity that you enjoy, so it becomes less of a chore and more of a lifestyle. Remember, regular exercise not only helps to control your weight and reduce stress, but also keeps your heart strong and your blood flowing smoothly. So, lace up those trainers, get out there and move your body. Exercise is not just for losing weight, it's for keeping your heart healthy too. Every pound matters when it comes to your heart. This is not hyperbole, but a stark reality that we all need to face. Being overweight or obese can lead to heart disease, a condition that is both preventable and manageable. Excess weight puts a strain on your heart, increases blood pressure and cholesterol levels, and can even lead to diabetes. All of these factors increase the risk of developing heart disease. But the good news is, it's never too late to start on the path to a healthier weight. A healthy weight is not about being thin, it's about being healthy. It's about balancing the calories you consume with the energy you expend. It's about making smart food choices, incorporating regular exercise into your routine, and treating your body with respect and care. Remember, it's not just about the number on the scale, but about leading a balanced, healthy lifestyle. Because at the end of the day, a healthy weight means a happy heart. Say no to smoke for your heart's sake. Picture a bustling city center, the air thick with smog. Now, imagine that's what's happening inside your body every time you light up a cigarette. You see, smoking is akin to launching a direct assault on your heart. It increases the risk of atherosclerosis, a condition where plaque builds up in your arteries, making it harder for blood to flow. Nicotine, that addictive little devil in your cigarettes, raises your blood pressure and heart rate, forcing your heart to work overtime. Don't forget about carbon monoxide either. It replaces some of the oxygen in your blood, again putting unnecessary strain on your heart. Now, we all know quitting smoking is easier said than done. But remember, each day you resist lighting up is a victory for your heart. There are resources available to help you quit, such as nicotine patches and support groups. It's a journey, but one worth taking. Your heart will thank you for quitting. An occasional drink is fine, but moderation is key. The heart, That tireless worker beating in your chest is not a fan of excessive alcohol. Overindulgence in alcohol can lead to an array of heart-related complications. The list includes high blood pressure, heart failure, stroke, and even certain types of cancers. Alcohol is a sneaky saboteur, you see. It can raise your blood pressure, leading to hypertensive heart disease. It can increase levels of certain fats in the blood, known as triglycerides, a risk factor for heart disease. It can also lead to obesity due to its high caloric content, another risk factor for heart disease. The key is to find balance. If you choose to drink, do so in moderation. For healthy adults, that means up to 1 drink a day for women of all ages and men older than 65, and up to 2 drinks a day for men aged 65 and younger. Remember, moderation in alcohol can save your heart. Stress doesn't just affect your mind, it can harm your heart too. It's a hidden enemy, often overlooked, yet it plays a significant role in heart health. When stress levels rise, so does your heart rate and blood pressure, and over time this can lead to heart disease. So how do we combat stress? First and foremost, recognize your stressors. Is it work, relationships, or perhaps financial worries? Once identified, you can start to manage them. Mindfulness techniques such as deep breathing, yoga, or meditation can be powerful tools in your stress-busting arsenal. They help to calm the mind and relax the body, bringing down that heart rate and blood pressure. Regular physical activity is another excellent stress reliever. It promotes the production of endorphins, our body's natural mood lifters, and don't forget the importance of a good laugh. It's not just enjoyable, but it can also help to lower stress levels. So remember, a calm mind leads to a healthy heart. Regular checkups can catch a problem before it becomes a crisis. Imagine your heart as a finely tuned machine. Just like you'd service your car periodically to keep it running smoothly, your heart needs regular maintenance too. It's not about finding problems, but about prevention and early detection of potential issues. Heart diseases often don't show symptoms until they've advanced substantially. But with regular checkups, you can unveil the unseen, nip potential problems in the bud, and keep your heart in peak condition. Think about it. Wouldn't you rather discover and address a small issue before it escalates into something bigger? Regular blood pressure assessments, cholesterol checks, and other heart health indicators can help your doctor spot trends and make adjustments to your lifestyle or medication. And remember, early detection is often the key to successful treatment. So, don't put off those regular checkups. They're your first line of defense in maintaining a healthy heart. Stay one step ahead with regular checkups. Sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity for a healthy heart. It's the unsung hero in the fight against cardiovascular disease, restful, rejuvenating sleep. When we sleep, our bodies have the chance to repair themselves, and this includes the heart and blood vessels. Sleep is the time when our bodies balance hormones and manage blood pressure, critical aspects for a healthy heart. When we skimp on sleep, our bodies can't perform these essential tasks as effectively. This can lead to higher blood pressure and increased inflammation, both of which can strain the heart. It's not just about quantity, but also quality. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep per night. The deeper and more restorative your sleep, the better for your heart. So tuck in early, create a calming bedtime routine, and make your bedroom a sanctuary for sleep. Remember, rest is not just for the weary, but for the heart-conscious too. Adequate sleep is a non-negotiable aspect of heart health. Let's recap our journey towards a healthy heart. We've navigated through 8 essential tips that can help keep your ticker in top condition and ward off cardiovascular diseases. We started with the importance of a heart-healthy diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Then, we moved on to the significance of regular exercise, as movement is key to maintaining a robust heart. Next, we discussed the need to maintain a healthy weight, as excess weight can put undue strain on our hearts. We also addressed the urgent need to quit smoking, as it directly affects heart health. Then we touched upon the need to limit alcohol intake, as excessive drinking can lead to numerous heart problems. We also highlighted the importance of managing stress and the role of regular checkups in early detection and prevention of heart diseases. Lastly, we underscored the importance of getting a good night's sleep. Take these steps to heart and make them a part of your lifestyle. Your heart will thank you for it.